Hi everyone, if you have watched any of my previous videos, thank you so much for returning and welcome back to my channel. I've been desperate to say that for years. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, I hope you enjoy. As you can see by the title of this video, I got the iconic James Charles palette for my birthday. So I thought, you know what, I'll have a little play around. This was my very first time playing with this palette. I have never actually seen it in person, I've never used it, I've never swatched it. As most people know, this palette contains 39 shades. I paid £39 for this palette and every single one of them is so pigmented. If you do want to copy this look or see how I achieved it, stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. I always start off my eyes with the P.Louise Base shade 02 Rumour, and I just apply that to my eyelid with a flat brush. Now with this base, I just pat it into the eyelid rather than dragging all over. I always bring the P.Louise base all the way up to my eyebrow and just pat it on. There, that's the base on my eyelid. To start off this look, I am going to go in with my Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush. I am going to dip into the shade Escape and I am going to place that on the outer corner of the eye. Oh, that has pigment. That has a lot of pigment. Obviously this looks messy, but hopefully near the end it all comes together. Now I'm going to go in with a slightly softer brush, the Zoeva 221 brush. I'm going to grab some of the shade Single. We just want to slightly blend out the first shade. I will take that all the way into the crease. For the inner corner, I am going to grab a Zoeva 228 brush. Once again, just a slightly more softer brush, and I'm going to go in with the colour B. With B, you can be a little bit wild and take it all the way up to the eyebrow. Just really pack that on. Next, I'm going to go in with the red shade called You're Kidding, and the plan is to blend it from the yellow to the purple and try to get a kind of fire effect, so let's see how we got on. This brush I'm using is actually from the Urban Decay Cherry palette, and I'll just bring that red all the way into the yellow. Once that's done, to blend it together a little bit more with the very same brush, I will grab the shade 518, and that is like an orange, and that will help us just to blend together a little bit more. With the hot pink shade Skip, I am going to take my Zoeva 231 brush, and all we want to do is connect the red and the purple together and blend it really out in the eye. We are going to go back to our first shade and add a lot more dimension to the eyelid. Back in with Escape and just go over what we have already laid down. And don't forget to take that right into the crease. When I do my eyes, I have hooded eyes, so I go just above the crease. Going in with a Dior 2-1 brush, I am going to take just a little bit of the shade Spooky and apply it just to my outer corner, just to really darken up that area, and this will also give us more definition of the eye. And once again, going back over that with Escape because we don't want it to be too dark. Now don't be scared to bring that really up. Going back to our P.Louise base, I am now going to cut the crease. I am just going to apply the base to the eyelid. Once I have cut the crease, I'm going to grab a brush. This is once again an Urban Decay brush from the Electric palette. I'm going to grab the shade Flashback, and that is the really white shade, and I'm going to really pack it onto the base. Now we are going to grab a packing brush. I am just going to spray this with Urban Decay All Nighter, and we are going to dip into Acapella, that is the blue shade, and we are just going to place it on top of this to help us blend a bit more. We are going to take Acapella all the way out to the corner. Now we are going to grab the shade Cola and just blend it on the outsides of the eyes. With the very same brush, we are going to grab the shade Hello and just dab it right in to the centre of the metallic blue. That would help us get our transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in the shade Distortion, and I'm just going to take that on the right areas of the eye. That is pretty much the eye look finished, and obviously it looks super duper messy just now. I will go off cam, finish off the other eye, stick on some lashes, finish my face and I'll be right back. This is the finished look. With my face, I done what I usually do, the same foundation, the same highlighter, but I will link all the products down below. While I'm here, I want to give a massive shout out to my friend Carol, and a big huge congratulations. Carol has recently just launched her own cosmetics range. The range is called Crystal Cosmetics. On my lips today, I have a MAC lipstick in the shade Chilli. On top of I have the Crystal Cosmetics High Vibration Lip Gloss, and as you can see, stunning. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, any feedback, please leave the comments down below and I will answer you. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my link will be down below, and I've also got Facebook and Twitter and things like that. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.